What I wound up doing with my thesis was making like lists of lists and like a string ID as positive infinity.
NumPy also lets you have arrays of arbitrary objects, which can be useful. Okay.
I've been helping Tom with his abstract algebra book and TJ with his linear algebra notes and getting my talk organized for tomorrow and discovering bugs in the process and fixing those.
Cool.
I've been documenting Python packages and magic commands for Sage worksheets.
Okay.
I've been working on a conversion process for Sage worksheets to PDFs and HTML, trying to streamline the process and iron out some of the bugs with it. So,
cool.
I've been trying to make some of the interactions with some of the file like the headings in SMC more usable and react the way you'd expect when you click on them, I guess.
Cool.
I've been working on getting the abstract algebra book into XML. Finally got the LaTeX version to run after commenting out a few problem areas which still need to be resolved.
Okay.
I've updated the registration survey report with 3 more people who did the survey. Thank you. And sent that to Rob and Tom. And then I looked at the Google Analytics comparing the notebook site, the cloud site, and the Sage site, and found that Spain is the second, provides the second highest number of visitors for both the notebook site and the cloud site.
Thank you.
Which was real interesting because it was Spain is about 5th in the overall sagemath.org, with France, UK, and Germany. Actually, Germany's second in that one, and then the UK and France, and then Spain. So, and then looking specifically at the cloud site, and the cloud site is the only one that in the US, the highest number of visits come from Washington. California is the highest for the other 2.
Right. Huh. So way more people are using Sage via the web in Spain than probably downloading it or something.
Could be. Don't know. I just thought it was interesting.
Yeah, Windows.
Spain led
do they use
the
Windows there?
a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
So with Rob's help, I got a minimal working example of an XML book going, and I started converting my linear algebra notes from last semester. And we got a little bit about Sage development cycle and started thinking about the other thing I was working on. So.
Cool.
I imported a bunch of my worksheets from the notebook server to the cloud, and some things went smoothly and some things didn't. So
I hope you'll document because the conversion script to go from .sws files to .sagews files is kind of a minimal viable script in that it has many things missing. And it was everything I could think of, kind of. So anything that's missing is usually easy to add in most cases, except for like attached stuff in the data directory is trickier, but most things are fairly easy. So it'd be good if you could list them or something.
And send them where?
You can email me, or the Sage Cloud mailing list is also very good. Sage-Cloud.
And then the other thing was I'm trying to figure out a good way to go from a number as a number to a number as a text character. So if anybody knows a fast way to do that.
Stir. STR.
STR.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, Rob, did you?
I did.
Okay.
Think we're done.
Hey, guess you didn't. Me.
There you go.
Wow, that's really blurry. Anyways, I just helped random people with things. I gave a talk.